Hey, this is Joe with H4H Remodeling and Repairs. We're out here doing a progress video on the outdoor kitchen we've been working on. Come check it out. This was a 40-year-old awning that we just kind of modernized and brought up to date. These were actually 4x4 posts that we've kind of furred out and put some paneling. Installed electrical switches for the can lights we've installed. This will be a ceiling fan here. What we got here is going to be a Blackstone grill and a barbecue on this side. As we get over here, we've got some outdoor kitchen cabinets with the granite countertop and a granite backsplash. We're gonna have a refrigerator right here. We've also installed this shiplap paneling in the roof. Here's some electrical. We've added a couple of circuits so that they could have their outdoor bar with their margarita mixer, a disposal. And over here we got an outdoor TV that's gonna flip down from the ceiling and come down. And over here we've got some electrical or some drop down shade curtains that'll be installed shortly. So if you want to see what this finished product looks like, check out one of our next videos. Whether you got a kitchen inside or outside, big or small, come check us out. H4H Remodeling Repairs.com.